Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, we will delve into how to repair white, yellow, and green screen issues, sharing practical tips and steps to help you better resolve display faults. White, yellow, and green screens are quite common display malfunctions, and the causes of these issues can be diverse. Mastering the correct repair methods not only improves efficiency, but also enhances the stability of repairs. In this video, we will discuss the causes of the faults, methods to detect them, and corresponding repair strategies. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Firstly, here are a few potential causes of these issues. ITO corrosion in brakes, loose flex cables, broken lines at bending point, and loose driver IC. The detection methods are not complicated. After removing the screen frame, observe the corresponding points under a microscope. If it's ITO corrosion or broken lines, we can repair it with conductive silver paste or jumper wire. Use silver paste, tweezers, and a brush feather to do this. When doing the jumper wire, choosing high-quality tin paste and metal wire is crucial. Our soldering iron can be equipped with a pointed tip, making it very easy to operate. Next is the situation of flex cable loose. When you press the yellow part, you can see a noticeable gap at the bonding point. In that case, we need to rebond the flex cable or replace it with a new one. Yen 580 will be a great helper. Next, for broken lines at bending point, you will see some uneven parts at the broken area. Common solutions include using conductive silver paste or laser repair. Both of the methods require patience and experience. While loose driver IC involves more diverse and complex methods. Firstly, we need to measure resistance or voltage at specific test points. Based on the measurement results, we will choose the most suitable repair method from jumper wire, electric shock, or laser repair. If the measurements are all normal, simply replacing the driver IC will suffice. That's all for this video. Stay tuned. See you next time.